Hey, what's up? It's Anthony Marley Love. Welcome to another episode of Traveling While Black.
Yes, welcome back, everyone. We're at Spring Lake Desire Park in King County, Washington, ready to tackle another hike on our hiking series.
Yep, and once again, we are going to be covering hikes recommended to us by King County DNRP's TikTok page. For this hike compared to the last hike, it was a little bit more tricky.
Yeah, we'll let you know. You'll see what we mean on this week's episode. So as always, take a look and let us know what you think.
Hey, what's up? I'm Anthony.
And I'm Marley. Welcome to Traveling While Black.
Welcome back to another episode in our first hiking series of 2024. If you saw our last episode, we checked out a relatively easy hike within Cougar Mountain Regional Wildland Park. But if not, be sure to check it out after this one.
Again, for this first series of hiking episodes for this year, we are checking out 3 different options, all recommended from the King County DNRP's TikTok page. For the next hike recommendation, we chose to check out a trail around Spring Lake Desire Park. Another park technically located in Renton, Washington, but close to Maple Valley, Washington.
Spring Lake Desire Park is a beautiful 390-acre forested park that offers 3 miles of trails, running between 2 namesake lakes. And like Cougar Mountain, Spring Lake Desire Park also offers trails for hikers and equestrians.
In regard to difficulty, the park offers trails ranging from moderate to hard routes. We decided that we were going to attempt the Echo Peak Trail, an easy trail that leads up to 400 feet of elevation gain and provides great views of one of the lakes and, on a clear day, the beautiful Mount Rainier.
Yes, Echo Peak Trail sounded like the perfect trail option for us. An easy hike to amazing views. But we would find out that this trail would turn out to be the case of too good to be true.
Drive grade. To get to Spring Lake Desire Park, it was around a 30-minute drive. Being it was also in Renton, it was the same length as our last hiking adventure.
It was really the same drive as our last hiking adventure. So, just like last time, and any time we head south of the city, there's the opportunity of hitting some busy traffic. We were able to breeze by it on this trip. And oh yeah, the drive time wasn't the only positive that was similar to the last hiking adventure. Nope, also the free parking.
Yes, the parking is free, but the lot is not huge. Once again, the only real negative was the lack of any views on the drive. Still, for a 30-minute drive to get to a great hiking option wasn't bad. So for our drive experience, we'll give a 4 out of 5 for drive grade.
Level of fun. After being pleasantly surprised by the parking situation, we headed into the park. As soon as we entered, we came upon what would be the first of many trailhead signs.
We had already decided that we would do the Echo Peak Trail, so we headed into the direction we thought would put us on that trail.
The decision would not be the first we would have to make on our hike, and definitely would not be the first wrong one.
Yes, we would come to a couple of forks where we would have to decide a way we thought was right. Sometimes we would diplomatically decide which way to go.
And a couple of times, because of our choices, we had to turn around. Yes, on our hike, we ended up on multiple trails, and dare we say, perhaps, even got lost.
Yes, the trails run into each other, and you can easily lose track of which one you're on. Ultimately, we ended up back where we started, but we never found Echo Peak Trail.
But during our search, we still got to take in the peaceful nature and beautiful natural scenery. In regard to the other details about the trail, the path is dirt and could potentially get muddy during rainy days. And of course, dogs are welcome, but the pups must be leashed.
As for how we would rate our hiking experience at Spring Lake Desire Park, even though we didn't find the trail we originally intended to hike, we did hike further than we would have if we just did the one we intended. And what was even better was that we didn't even realize that being the case because we were enjoying ourselves so much.
Yep, even when we disagreed on some of the fork decisions, we still had fun in deciding which way to go.
And even more fun being proven right.
But what was most fun was establishing my continued dominance over Marley at rock, paper, scissors. Sorry. Anyways, Yes, we had a blast, and we can definitely recommend Spring Lake Lake Desire as a great hiking option.
So for our experience at Spring Lake Lake Desire Park, we give a 5 out of 5 for level of fun. Comfortability for Black people. So once again, being that our hiking episodes involve us being outside and in nature, the grades for the hiking experiences are more than likely going to be pretty high.
Yep.
Nature loves Black people.
And we love nature. But also adding to the nature loving, we did get to enjoy a friendly conversation with a local resident who was also enjoying a hike through the park.
Yes, and we also saw other people throughout our hike who said hi in passing. Yes, we had a great experience, and we definitely recommend considering this park for your next hiking trip.
And if you're looking for motivation, remember to check out the creators we recommended last episode. As for our experience at Spring Lake Lake Desire Park, we give a 5 out of 5 for comfortability for Black people. We hope you found this episode to be helpful and entertaining. Be sure to check out our previous episodes.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on all of our social media platforms.
Until next time, beautiful people, stay up, stay true, and do you.